Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oluchi here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to effectively use the INKEYLIS 15% vitamin C with EGF. EGF basically stands for epidermal growth factor. This is a product that you can use in the morning and you can use it at night, but I prefer to use vitamin C in the morning. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your face. So my current facial wash is also from INKEYLIS and is a fulvic acid brightening cleanser. So after washing your face with the favorite cleanser of your choice, you proceed to toning your face and just use whatever toner of your choice. In an event where you don't have a toner, you can skip the toning step and proceed to applying your serum. All you need is just a pea size of this serum. So this is what the serum basically looks like. It comes in a plastic packaging like so, and you get 30 ml products out of this. And yeah, I can see the steps right here. It says clean, hydrate, treat, moisturize, and SPF. What you're going to do is to open it up like this. It has a pump head which is for dispensing. So you just put a pump, and I believe a pump is a pea size, but sometimes I know this will be enough, but just because I would love to use this on my neck as well, I will just add another pump just to be generous. You just want to rub it together on your palm. It's very light, so you gently pat it on the skin like so, and not forgetting your neck area as well, and then your chest. Just pat it and push it into the skin. This absorbs really quickly into the skin, so you just want to give it some time to absorb fully. You want everything to you want the skin to get all the goodness, all the cells to absorb all the goodness that this has to offer. I did a bit of research. It says to wait about 10 minutes for this to fully absorb, but sometimes I believe honestly 10 minutes might just be a lot of time. But if you want, you can wait for 10 minutes. What I normally do is I wait a while, then when I feel my skin and my skin doesn't feel tacky, it doesn't feel sticky, it feels fully absorbed, then I proceed to applying other skincare products. So basically the vitamin C in this helps to brighten dull skin, and then the EGF, which is the epidermal growth factor, helps to stimulate cell regeneration. The EGF percentage in this is like 1%, and then the vitamin C is 15%. So when you're using this at night, do not use it with your retinols or your AHAs or any other acids, because you do not want to overstimulate the skin. You do not want to exfoliate the skin. You'll be causing your skin more harm than good. So on the nights that you would use this, if you choose to, do not use your retinols, like I said. Just use it all by itself. Follow the steps I've mentioned. Use it alone, all by itself. So in the daytime as well, use it. So after you've used the serum, the next thing you want to do is to go in with your favorite moisturizer. Moisturize your skin like a hydrating moisturizer would do. Like for me, I love me hydrating moisturizers. And then the moisturizer of my choice is from April Skin, and it's a hydrogel cream. It's just amazing. I like how it feels on the skin, especially now that it is summertime, that the weather is very warm. So after using your moisturizer, you proceed to using your SPF. In an event where you have a moisturizer that contains SPF, amazing, that's amazing. If you're using these products, be sure to use your SPF, because these products will further make your skin photosensitive. And for me, I prefer to use SPF of 50 and be generous with it. Do not joke with it, because you'll be causing your face more harm than good if you do not protect your skin with SPF. But if it's nighttime, you do not need to use your SPF. Just end that moisturizer and you're totally fine. So now I'm going to reiterate what I've mentioned previously. So the first step you want to do is to use the cleanser of your choice, the face wash of your choice. Wash your face. If you've got a toner, you tone your face. Then after that, you proceed to applying this vitamin C. Use this. Do not forget to wait a while for it to fully absorb into the skin. Do not proceed to the next step when your skin is still feels tacky and still feels damp from using the product. So wait a while, even if it takes 10 minutes, as I said, wait 10 minutes so that your skin cells will absorb all this goodness. And then after that, you proceed with your moisturizer, your favorite moisturizer. After moisturizing, if your moisturizer has an SPF, use the moisturizer that has the SPF, and then you end there. If your moisturizer doesn't have an SPF, proceed to using your SPF. And if it's nighttime, the same steps: cleanse, tone, use the serum, moisturize, and end there. If you have facial oil, proceed to using that, and you go to bed. So basically, that's how to use the INKEYLIS vitamin C 15% and EGF. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more videos and you'd like me to let you know how to use certain products, be sure to let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to do the videos for you guys. So this has to be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.